Configuring WorldPay REST API is a straightforward process that enables you to integrate payment functionality into your application. To begin, you need to create a WorldPay account and obtain your client key and client secret, which are used for authentication. First, log into your WorldPay account and navigate to the development section, where you can find your client key and client secret. These credentials are essential for making API requests, so keep them secure. Next, choose the programming language you want to use for your integration. WorldPay provides libraries and code examples for popular languages like Java, Python, and C#. These libraries simplify the process of making API requests and handling responses. Now, let's move on to configuring the API. You need to set up authentication, which involves creating a signature using your client secret and the request method, URL, and timestamp. This signature is included in the authorization header of your API requests. To make a payment request, you need to provide the payment amount, currency, and payment method. You can also include additional information like the customer's name and address. The API returns a payment response, which includes a payment status and a unique payment reference. When handling payment responses, it's essential to validate the payment status and update your system accordingly. You should also implement error handling to catch and handle any exceptions that may occur during the payment process. Best practices for configuring WorldPay REST API include using secure protocols like HTTPS, validating user input, and implementing robust error handling. You should also keep your API credentials secure and up to date. In summary, configuring WorldPay REST API involves obtaining your client key and client secret, choosing a programming language, setting up authentication, making payment requests, and handling payment responses. By following these steps and best practices, you can integrate payment functionality into your application and provide a seamless payment experience for your customers.